Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Miniconda on Windows. We can uninstall Miniconda via Uninstaller or Settings or Control Panel. So first, let us see how to uninstall Miniconda via Miniconda Uninstaller. To do this, go to the location where Miniconda was installed. So in the system, Miniconda was installed in C users username folder. So go inside Miniconda folder and here search for the file uninstall Miniconda exe. So this is the uninstaller. So double click on this exe. Click on next, next, click yes. Check all the boxes for a clean uninstall and click on uninstall. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Click on next and click on finish. So now here you can see that the Miniconda folder is empty. So if you refresh this and check, even the folder will be removed. So click on the username and go one step back. So here you can see that Miniconda 3 is removed. So we have successfully uninstalled Miniconda via the Miniconda uninstaller. Next, let us see how to uninstall Miniconda via Windows settings. To do this, press Windows I. This opens up settings. Click apps, installed apps. Here search for the app Miniconda. So Miniconda is listed here. Click on the three dots and click uninstall, uninstall. Click on next, click on next, click on yes. Check all the boxes for a clean uninstall and click on uninstall. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So the uninstallation is complete now. Click on next, click on finish. So here you can see Miniconda app is removed from here. So the uninstallation is successful via Windows settings. So now let us see how to uninstall Miniconda via control panel. To do this, press Windows R and type apples.cpl and press enter. So this opens up the programs and features of control panel. Here click on the Miniconda application and click on uninstall. Click on next. Click on next. Click yes. Check all the boxes. Check all the boxes for a clean uninstall and click on uninstall. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. Click on next. Click on finish. So now the Miniconda application is removed from here. This confirms that the uninstallation was successful. So we have seen three ways by which we can uninstall Miniconda. We can uninstall it via Miniconda uninstaller, via Windows settings, or via control panel. So you can follow any one of these three methods to uninstall Miniconda on Windows. Once we are done with the uninstallation, we need to do the cleanup. For this, press Windows R and type local app data within percentage and press enter. So here we need to delete the folder Conda. So select the folder and press delete key to delete it. Next, press Windows R and type user profile within percentage and press enter. So here we need to delete the files Conda, Anaconda folders if they are present. So here it is not present. So if it is present, we need to delete it. So these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall Miniconda on Windows. I have also prepared a reference guide, the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.